Comfort inside a home depends heavily on how well air moves through each space. Proper ventilation helps regulate temperature, reduce stuffiness, and keep indoor air feeling fresh. For homeowners in Coppell, double-hung windows offer a practical and flexible way to control ventilation without sacrificing comfort, style, or usability. Why ventilation control matters. Ventilation isn't just about opening a window, it's about controlling how air enters and exits the home. Poor ventilation can lead to stagnant air, uneven temperatures, and discomfort in frequently used rooms. In Coppell homes, having control over airflow allows homeowners to adapt indoor conditions throughout the day, depending on weather, room use, and personal comfort preferences. The unique design advantage of double-hung windows. Double-hung windows feature two operable sashes, one on the top and one on the bottom. This design sets them apart from many other window styles. For Coppell homeowners, this dual sash system provides more control over ventilation. You can open the top sash, the bottom sash, or both, depending on how much airflow you want and where you want it directed. Releasing warm air through the upper sash, warm air naturally rises. Double-hung windows take advantage of this natural movement. By opening the upper sash, Coppell homeowners can allow warm air to escape from higher points in the room. This helps cool indoor spaces without creating strong drafts at seating or floor level. Drawing in fresh air from below the lower sash of a double-hung window can be opened to let fresh air enter directly. In Coppell living spaces, this makes it easy to bring in outdoor air where it's needed most, near living areas, bedrooms, or workspaces, while still maintaining control over airflow intensity. Supporting cross-ventilation. Ventilation works best when air can flow through the home rather than just in and out of one opening. Double-hung windows support cross-ventilation when paired with windows on opposite sides of the home. Coppell homeowners often notice improved airflow and fresher indoor air when using this natural circulation method. Improving comfort without strong drafts. Some window styles create sudden gusts that can feel uncomfortable. Double-hung windows allow for more subtle airflow control. By adjusting how much each sash is opened, Coppell homeowners can fine-tune ventilation to maintain comfort without strong or disruptive drafts. Enhancing ventilation in multi-use rooms. Living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens all have different ventilation needs. Double-hung windows adapt easily to each space. In Coppell homes, homeowners appreciate how easily they can adjust airflow depending on the room's activity, whether cooking, relaxing, or sleeping. Encouraging regular use through easy operation. Windows that are difficult to operate often remain closed, limiting ventilation. Double-hung windows are designed for smooth, simple operation. Coppell homeowners are more likely to open and adjust them regularly, supporting better airflow throughout the home. Maintaining ventilation control. Year-round ventilation needs change with the seasons. Double-hung windows offer flexibility to adapt. In Coppell, homeowners can open windows fully during mild weather or use minimal openings to refresh indoor air while maintaining comfort during warmer or cooler periods. A practical window choice for everyday comfort. Good ventilation improves how a home feels on a daily basis. Double-hung windows make managing airflow simple and effective. For homeowners in Coppell, double-hung windows improve ventilation control by allowing precise airflow adjustments, supporting natural air circulation, and maintaining comfort without disruption. Their flexible design makes them a smart choice for homes that value fresh air, comfort, and everyday livability.